As the road winds through the high desert, the town of Beatty, Nevada, quietly comes into view. Nestled in the heart of the Amargosa Valley, Beatty feels like a time capsule, where the Wild West never truly faded and the desert holds its stories close. With just over 900 residents, Beatty might seem like a quick blur in your rearview mirror, but it's packed with character. Often called the gateway to Death Valley, this little town sits just minutes from the park's eastern edge. It's a common stop for adventurers, curious road trippers, and truckers looking for wide shoulders, cheap fuel, and a break from the highway's monotony. Look around and you'll spot relics of Beatty's mining boom days. Founded in the early 1900s, the town sprang to life during the nearby gold rush in Rhyolite, now a famous ghost town just up the road. That history lingers in old storefronts, rusted rail cars, and signs that haven't changed in decades. But Beatty isn't just about the past. Today, it's a quirky mix of old-school charm and desert grit. There's a peace here, the kind you only get miles from city lights. Local diners serve strong coffee and conversations you'll remember longer than the food. A few motels, gas stations, and desert businesses keep the town humming along. One thing you can't miss, burros. Yep, wild burros roam the streets like they own the place. Descended from mining pack animals, these stubborn but beloved creatures are part of Beatty's identity. It's not uncommon to spot one standing in the road, totally unfazed by your engine. Beatty's also more colorful than you'd expect. Murals decorate buildings, and local shops sell everything from handmade jewelry to alien-themed souvenirs. After all, this is Nevada, where the strange and the scenic go hand in hand. So as your tires hum along the pavement and the desert sun casts long shadows across the landscape, take a second look. Beatty may be small, but it's a living piece of Nevada's soul. A town filled with echoes of gold dust and ghost stories, and a reminder that even in the middle of nowhere, there's always something worth seeing.